Hola amigos, welcome to a new episode of the Spanish Bridge, where your favorite Chilean tutor teaches you Spanish. That's me. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the differences between verbos ser y estar. Now, you might know that both of those verbs mean to be in English. So what are the differences? Let's start with verb ser. Now, we use this verb to talk about general descriptions. I'll give you an example. Ella es simpática, which means she is nice. I could also say, ese edificio es alto, which means that building is tall. So we're just simply describing general descriptions. I can also use the form ser when talking about nationalities. For instance, yo soy chilena, I am Chilean. Or, yo soy de Chile, I am from Chile. We can also use the verbo ser when we talk about professions. I'm gonna say, yo soy tutora de español. Tú eres estudiante de español. We can also use el verbo ser when talking about time. So if I ask what time is it, I'm gonna say, ¿qué hora es? I'm gonna answer using the same verb. So I'm gonna say, son las 3 de la tarde. It's 3 p.m. Let's move on to verbo estar. How do we use this one? We usually use el verbo estar when we talk about temporary states. That's the opposite of the verb ser. What do I mean by temporary states? I can talk about feelings, emotions, or conditions. And that brings up a question. ¿Cómo estás? You might have heard that before. So how do we answer to that? We can say, yo estoy nerviosa. O yo estoy muy feliz. Estoy preocupada. Estoy muy enojada. Those examples right there help us to describe conditions, something momentary or temporary. Now, we're also going to use verbo estar when we talk about location. ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? Estoy en mi casa. Estoy en una fiesta. Estoy con mi hermana. Estoy en el restaurante. And that's it. So there you have the differences between verbos ser y estar. Make sure to practice as much as you can, and that's going to help you. And if you make mistakes, don't worry, that's part of the process. And if you want to keep learning Spanish, you can contact me for private tutoring sessions. See you! Ciao! Don't worry if you make mistakes. Like, I'm still learning English, so I get you.